Pulling up, I got gas on me. Look like I just left the bank with all the cash on me. That the hoe is not a rider, she gon' crash.
Hey, what going on, man? It's your boy Young KD, as always. And today I'm gonna show y'all can make a good quality song on Bandlab without any expensive equipment, just using your headphones and your phone. Hey, and I'm sorry if my voice sounds different right now, I'm a little sick, but that ain't gonna stop me from dropping these gems for y'all. So y'all stay tuned, man, and the preset will be included. Yeah, so right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show y'all a song I made on my iPhone headphones, and I'm gonna let y'all hear how decent, how good the quality is, and why I say that you don't need expensive equipment. If you got the headphones, you can really make it work with the right mixing. Let me show y'all right now.
Yeah. Pulling up, I got gas on me. Look like I just left the bank with all the cash on me. That the hoe is not a rider, she gon' crash on me. Got plenty hoes, they're great, just like Tony. Just like Tony, just like Tony. Pussy itchy, squishy, like some macaroni. I swear I got it, I'm going digital, just like Sonic. Nigga keep playing and she gon' get critical. Not playing with you, homie. Yeah, pulling up, I got gas on me. Look like I just left the bank with all the cash on me. That the hoe is not a rider, she gon' crash on me. Got plenty hoes, they're great, just like Tony. Just like Tony, just like Tony. Pussy itchy, squishy, like some macaroni. I swear I got it, I'm going digital, just like Sonic. Nigga keep playing and she gon' get critical. Not playing with you, homie. No, I'm not playing with you, bitch.
Yes, sir. So after listening back to that, y'all can see what I'm talking about, man. It sounded pretty good to me, and I just used my headphones. So that's all y'all got, man. Y'all can make it work. Hey, stick around to see what I did and how I mixed the vocals. I bet. So first and foremost, the first thing I did was add some Autotune at 100%, man. I really like the Autotune sound. I go 100%. And I know how to control my voice so it don't sound robotic. It just give me that sound I like, that Future Young Thug type sound. After that, man, I added a tape simulator. This is just tape saturation. Tape saturation makes your signal, makes whatever you're doing warmer. So I wanted to make these headphones sound warmer and fuller. So I added the tape saturation. Here are the settings I got. Hey, this effect really comes in clutch. So y'all try this out. All right, cool. So after that, we got a graphic EQ. It ain't doing too much, just a little cleanup. That 100, we got a good bit of that took out. That's just that rumble. You can't really even hear that frequency that much. It just cleans the vocal up. We boosted a little bit at that 6.4. It just gives the vocal a little presence, a small little bit of brightness. So this all I did with the graphic EQ. I didn't go too crazy on it. Yeah, man, so after that, I wanted some more brightness, so I added an exciter. Here are the settings I got. If y'all want less brightness, just turn the amount down. Simple as that. But this did the job, and it made the vocal sound a lot better and more present. Yeah, man, so after that exciter, we need to do some control and get these vocals more consistent. So I added a TechLab BA2A, and I just did a video on compression. If y'all don't really know how to use compression, just go on my channel and you will see it, how to use compression. But here are the settings I got for the TechLab BA2A. After that, we added another compressor, the BL1176. Here are the settings I got on that, man. I always use two different compressors. It just gives the vocals a fullness and makes them sit better in that mix. No cap, so after that, we added some studio reverb. Y'all know we had to add this. This just gives them vocals that certain sauce. It makes it sit a whole lot better with the instrumental. So here are the settings I got. Y'all already know the settings may vary, but these settings are a good starting point. You might just gotta make small adjustments to it. But you definitely need the reverb, man. After the reverb, we added the delay, the ping pong delay. And here are the settings I got. The delay just gives you small little echoes and it fills the vocals out. Yeah, man, that pretty much wraps up the preset. I appreciate y'all for watching the whole video. If y'all did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. The preset link will be pinned in the comments for all the people who watched this far. Hey, man, take what I taught y'all today and go make some good music with y'all headphones, man. No cap. I'm gonna let y'all hear what the whole song sounds like right now if y'all want to hear it.
Emkay, yeah, know what I'm saying? Emkay, yeah, know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make the impossible possible. You feel what I'm saying? Don't let a motherfucker tell you what you can and can't do. Ain't no bad can't screw you, know what I'm saying? Yeah. Pulling up, I got gas on me. Look like I just left the bank with all the cash on me. rider, she gon' crash on me. Got plenty hoes, they're great, just like Tony. Just like Tony, just like Tony. Pussy itchy, squishy, like some macaroni. I swear to God that I'm going digital, just like Sony. Nigga keep playing and she gon' get critical. Not playing with you, homie. No, I'm not playing with you, bitch. You can come play with the dick. Hundreds on shots in the clip. Fuck the hoe, her leg shaking like she got a piss. Look like somebody can't piss on my wrist. Bitch, I been ballin' with no assist. Put a scrap out, let a nigga don't miss. Cause if you miss, I'ma up at your shit. I got more sticks than a motherfucking tree. Yes, I got more than 1, 2, or 3. You can get popped for that foolery. Rob a fuck nigga for jewelry. Then I'm pulling up, I got gas on me. Look like I just left the bank with all the cash on me. That little hoe is not a rider, she gon' crash on me. Got plenty hoes, they're great, just like Tony. Just like Tony, just like Tony. Pussy itchy, squishy, like some macaroni. I swear to God that I'm going digital, just like Sonic. Nigga keep playing and she gon' get critical. Not playing with you, homie. No, I'm not playing with a bitch or a hoe. Yeah, I'm a baller, my mama I score. I make it rain, they got my for the foe. Green light, cause yeah, nigga on go. Never been there, but I'm comfortable. They eat it, they drip like a lunchable. Her pussy yummy, it's munchable. My weed orange like cantaloupe. He tryna run for like scope. I'm in her mouth like scope. I'm an Aries, but a goat. I'm an Aries, but a goat. They want more and more. I put it drip every day from the floor. Up, stick it in throat, up. Yeah, don't worry, what's in my cup? I feel like Wiz F, baby. I fuck up your old lady. Yeah, you know who the fuck it is, nigga. You know the name, nigga. You know the game. Young KD. Ha, go, nigga. Yeah, better catch on the motherfucking wave, boy.